Okay, this is your first time in the school auditorium. You will come here for different activities. Do you like your school? Do you like your school? Right hand up. Hello. Say hello. I can't hear you.
Welcome, welcome, come on in. Find a spot, let's all begin. Big smiles, friends are here. Welcome, welcome, we're so glad you're near.
Welcome, welcome, clap your hands. Welcome, welcome, friends and fans. Welcome, welcome, shout hooray. Welcome, welcome, it's a happy day.
Sit down low, then stand up tall. Wave hello to one and all. Look around, what do you see? Happy faces just like me.
Welcome, welcome, clap your hands. Welcome, welcome, friends and fans. Welcome, welcome, shout hooray. Welcome, welcome, it's a happy day.
Turn around and touch your toes. Jump up high, then strike a